Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? In today's video I'm showing you how I make my hominy corn porridge. So in the pot here I have some corn. They weren't soaked because I forget to soak them last night, but I have about a cup to a cup and a half of corn in the pot here, to about 4 cups of water. To that now I'm adding about 3 cinnamon leaves. And then in the dish here now I have sugar, salt, nutmeg, and a piece of nutmeg skin. So I'll be seasoning the pot, before, so that the corn can absorb all of these flavors. So when we're ready to sweeten it, it's not fresh. So I have the cinnamon skin there. I have about a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a tablespoon of sugar, so that this corn can absorb all of this flavor. So when time it's boiled and when it's ready to sweeten, not only the body of it is sweetened or have the salt taste. All right, just adding that to the pot. It has now been about half an hour since I put on the pot on the stove, and look at that there. I'm shocked, guys. I'm really shocked. Remember I told you that the corn wasn't I didn't soak it last night, and they're almost boiled. In half an hour they're almost boiled. Yeah man, so I think I'm no longer going to soak it, just as how I told you about my peanut porridge, which I'll link in the cards above. Yeah man, I no longer will soak it, because I was thinking that probably I'll have this on the fire for about 2 hours boiling. Alright, so it's going to give it a quick stir there and add some more water, but I'm not going to add any cold water. I have some boiling water that I'm going to add to it, because I don't want the temperature to drop. Alright, just going to add the water there. Give it a quick stir, cover, and check back on it in 15 minutes or so. Alright, so it is right here now that I'm going to add some coconut milk to add that flavor in the corn as well. Give it a quick stir. Remember to keep a close eye on this, because I don't want the corn to stick to the bottom. Alright, cover it. I'm going to check it back again in another 15 minutes. Oh, and as I open that, the coconut smell there, whoa, so strong. So I know that this is gonna, the taste is gonna be strong. Coconut flavor gonna be strong in this porridge here. Yeah man, so I'm adding the amount of water that I need, the amount of porridge that I actually need to boil. I'm now adding the water, and as I said before, I'm not adding cold water, I'm adding boiling water to it, because I don't want to drop the temperature of it. Give it a quick stir again, cover, and then move on to the next step. So right here now, guys, I'm ready to make my thickening part, what is going to thicken up the porridge. And in here now I have about 3/4 cups of coconut milk. I have about half a cup of flour there, and then 2 tablespoons of cornmeal. So we're going to blend that up. So I'm now ready to add the thickening part to the corn here. Look at that. Yeah, man. Remember, this is the coconut milk, flour, and cornmeal mixture I'm adding here. So this is going to thicken up the porridge. Let's get out everything from out there as usual. I want to stir and stir in the corners, guys, because the corn tend to want to go in the corner to settle, and then start sticking. So we're going to bring that up back to a boil and then move on. Alright, look at that now. Oh, so beautiful. So I'm now ready to sweeten. So to this I'm adding a cup of sugar, brown sugar. Remember in the cornmeal porridge, oats porridge, and peanut porridge video, which I'll link them in the cards above. I tell you that we start out by sweetening with the dark ingredients, because I want to have a creamy finish. Remember to stir properly, guys. So to get the sugar dissolved as much as possible. Now I'm adding about a tablespoon of vanilla, dark ingredient as well. And now I'm adding some more nutmeg, about another teaspoon of nutmeg. Remember we started out with a teaspoon. I'm gonna get that fully incorporated in it. It smells so good. A quick taste test to see where it's at. So in here now we have, as usual, our last color soy for the Jamaicans. It's soy milk. So we're adding that to it, and this is going to add some richness and creaminess. And look at that, the bubbles bringing it up. Come on, look there. I just love seeing this. So I'm just gonna help it along the way there. Give it a good stir. Get the soy milk fully incorporated in it. And don't mind this, guys. Remember I tell you that as soon as the flame is off, it will thicken up to how I like it. Give it another taste. The salt is okay. The salt is okay. And so I'm now ready to add my condensed milk. I'm going to use about half a tin of condensed milk. And this is going to add another layer of creaminess to it as well as sweetness. Remember we're sweetening over low flame, guys, so as to help the sweeteners to dissolve properly. Look at that. Remember to stir properly, guys, to get all of the sweeteners incorporated as much as possible, because we don't want anything to go and settle down in the bottom there. Sorry about that noise, guys. Yes, and it's right where it's at, where I need it to be. Not too sweet, not too fresh, just right in between, right where it needs to be. So we're going to cover that for another 5 minutes and let all the flavors develop and marry together, and then I'm going to dish it and come back. Okay, so here you have it, guys, my hominy corn porridge. Please remember to like, to comment, and to subscribe to my channel, guys. See you in my next video.